Good morning, students. In the previous lesson, we had discussed about the parts of the kidney. Our topic for today is filtration of blood in the kidney. But before starting our topic, let's review the parts of the kidney. The outermost portion of the kidney is called the cortex. The inner region of the kidney is known as the medulla. Since the kidney is responsible for filtration of blood, the dirty blood enters into the kidney from the renal artery. The glomerulus are bunch of capillaries that are present inside the nephron. The nephron is a cup-shaped bag. The nephron and the glomerulus are responsible for filtering the blood. After when the blood is filtered, the clean blood goes out from the body from the renal vein. So the renal artery brings the dirty blood to the kidney and the renal vein takes the clean blood away from the kidney. The waste from the blood is collected inside the collecting duct and the collecting duct drains it down into the ureter. Students, we will now start our today's lesson, that is filtration of blood in the kidney. Students, as you all know that the kidneys are the main organs responsible for the filtration of blood. The dirty blood enters into the kidney from the renal artery. The renal artery brings the dirty blood inside the kidney for filtration. A cup-shaped structure called the Bowman's capsule or the nephron is responsible for filtering the blood. The nephron contains bunch of capillaries called the glomerulus. So the glomerulus and the nephron are responsible for filtering the blood inside the kidney. The dirty blood enters into the kidney from the renal artery. The renal artery sends the blood inside the nephron for filtration. The nephron absorbs all the waste from the blood. This waste includes nitrogenous waste such as carbon dioxide, urea, water, and dissolved salts. After the waste is absorbed by the nephron, the clean blood further flows into the capillaries. Now, large molecules that are present in the waste cannot pass through and are reabsorbed by these capillaries. These molecules may include proteins. The capillaries send the clean blood further into the renal vein, and the renal vein takes the clean blood away from the kidney. So the renal artery brings the dirty blood to the kidney. The renal artery sends the blood to the nephron for filtration. The nephron absorbs the waste from the blood and the clean blood flows into the capillaries to the renal vein, and the renal vein takes the clean blood away from the kidney. Now the waste that was absorbed by the nephron passes it down into the collecting duct. This waste is in the form of urine. The collecting duct collects the urine from the nephron and drains it down into the ureter. The ureters are tubes that are attached to the kidney. The ureters carry the urine and passes it down into the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder temporarily stores the urine. When the urinary bladder is full, it drains the urine down to the urethra, and the urethra passes the urine out from the body. So the collecting duct collects the waste in the form of urine from the nephron and drains it down into the ureter. The ureters are tubes which passes the urine down into the urinary bladder where it is temporarily stored, and the urine is passed out from the body through the urethra.